Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tint a Tesla Model Y. First, gather all your essential tools, including your chosen tint film, a squeegee, and a heat gun. Next, ensure your windows are spotless by thoroughly cleaning them with a lint-free cloth and a good glass cleaner. This step is crucial for a smooth application. Finally, carefully measure each window and cut your tint film, leaving a small excess around the edges for precise trimming later. Now, let's get to applying the tint. Begin by generously spraying the window with a slip solution. This allows you to easily position the film. Carefully place your pre-cut tint film onto the wet window surface, ensuring it covers the entire area. Then, using your squeegee, gently smooth out the film from the center outwards, pushing out all the water and air bubbles for a flawless finish. Once the film is in place, it's time for shrinking and trimming. Use a heat gun to carefully shrink the film, allowing it to conform perfectly to the curved glass of your Tesla Model Y. Be sure to keep the heat gun moving to avoid damage. Next, with a sharp blade, precisely trim any excess film along the window's edge. After shrinking and trimming, double-check for any remaining air bubbles or creases and smooth them out. For the final touches, allow your newly tinted windows to cure for at least 3 to 5 days before rolling them down. This curing time is essential for the adhesive to fully set. Inspect your work for any remaining imperfections, gently pushing out any small bubbles you might find. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car's interior as pristine as your new tint, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to maintain that fresh, clean look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.